Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel Career with Atif. This is a quick 2 to 3 minute introductory video on why this channel is created and what you can expect from it. This channel will be covering all the aspects related to professional career development, which will be including how to search for jobs, how to prepare for interviews, resume tips, salary negotiation, leveraging LinkedIn for career growth, how to do effective networking, and a lot more. My main focus will be to help you get clarity of thoughts when it comes to making important career decisions in your life. Though this channel is exclusively meant for civil engineers as I come from a civil background, but it will also cover topics related to career development which will be helpful for the people of other domains as well. I will be sharing all that I learned about the corporate in the past 5 years with all of you in order to get the required confidence to succeed in corporate. I also have an Instagram page with the same handle, Career with Atif. You can follow me there as well. So see you on the other side and share this channel with your friends and subscribe to get regular updates. See you soon.